Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss different types of computer operating systems. We will get to know the primary differences between them, the apps library they support and what kind of user experience are they providing. So without wasting any time, let's get ready. But before we start, we should know what is an operating system. An operating system works as an interface between your computer hardware and the software. It manages all your computer files, the local resources and every other connected device to your computer. A smart and efficient OS is required by the computer to utilize the system processor, RAM and other resources for their optimum performance. There are different types of operating systems that can come pre-installed in any laptop. An operating system can be based upon an open source platform such as Linux OS or Chrome OS, while on the other hand it can be purchased through a licensing scheme such as for Windows operating system. Apple company develops Mac OS, which is an exclusive operating system for their own products, while other laptop vendors can include Windows, Chrome, Linux or DOS operating system. Now if we talk about the global market share held by these operating systems. Microsoft share a market dominance with 77.1% systems operating on Windows operating system. Next comes with Apple Mac OS with around 18% of share. Then Linux with approximately 2% of market share. You can see here that Windows is the most popular and widely available operating system in the global market. Now talking about the Windows operating system, it has a user-friendly graphical based interface through which users can interact with different applications. Because of the Windows popularity, all the apps and softwares are first developed for Windows platform and then later developed for other operating systems. Therefore, it has the largest selection of apps, softwares and games for users. However, because of its huge popularity, it is also prone to modern cyber attacks. Almost all the viruses and malwares are developed to attack Windows platform. If you are going to buy a new laptop now, then you are going to get Microsoft latest Windows 10 version. But some users are still running the old Windows 7 and XP versions for which Microsoft has stopped its support for. For such users, I would suggest to upgrade their system to the Windows 10 so that they can get the latest security features provided by Microsoft. Microsoft provides different versions of Windows 10 operating systems. The two most common Windows 10 versions we can see in our home laptops are Windows 10 Home Edition and Windows 10 Pro Edition. There is also a Windows 10 Enterprise Edition, which is provided by large organizations to their company laptops. Generally, in a laptop, you are going to get the Windows 10 Home Edition installed, while some vendors also provide Windows 10 Pro on their high-end laptops. If you are wondering what is the primary difference between the Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro editions, then I am going to simplify it for you. If you are a professional user or own a small business, then you can go for the Windows 10 Pro edition. Windows 10 Pro offers advanced security, connectivity and privacy features such as BitLocker for drive encryption, Hyper-V for virtualization and remote desktop support. Now if we talk about the second most popular operating system, Mac OS. The code for Mac OS is based upon Unix operating system. It is developed by Apple company and is exclusive for their own products. Mac operating system provide a graphical user interface to interact with different applications. Because of its more secure Unix roots, apps on Mac operating systems are generally virus and malware free. But this does not mean Mac OS is entirely secured. It is just attackers are more busy attacking Windows platform so that they can affect large number of systems in a single go. Chrome OS is another Linux-based open source operating system developed by Google. It comes pre-installed with different Chromebooks. In this OS, all the apps and user data resides in the Google Cloud, meaning Google Chrome is basically a web-based OS. And because everything is stored online, you need a high-quality internet to work effectively on Chromebooks. All the apps available on Chrome OS are mostly free and can be downloaded from Google Chrome App Store. Google also provides built-in virus and malware protections by regularly pushing security updates to the devices, so users don't have to purchase any additional antivirus subscription. Linux OS is another open source operating system which is available freely over the internet. Companies don't sell their laptops with Linux OS pre-installed on it. Linux OS gets love from programmers and advanced power users who work primarily on command line interface. First time users may find it difficult to install and operate Linux OS, and most probably they will switch back to the other operating system. Other than Windows, you will find all the most famous softwares available for Linux platform as well. While in our list of OS, we find Linux is the most secure one. If laptop companies want to reduce the prices of their devices by not installing any operating system, chances are they are going to install DOS operating system. Users opting to buy a laptop with pre-installed DOS operating systems are going to replace it with Windows or Linux OS. But this pre-installing activity will require a significant amount of computer knowledge which a general users might not have. Laptops with DOS might be cheaper, but buying a separate Windows license and then installing it might cost you more. Apart from the operating system, a laptop can come pre-installed with specific applications and driver which is provided by different hardware companies assembled in the laptop. These applications are meant to provide granular control over the different hardware and software settings with an aim to support OS for optimal performance. Apple MacBooks come pre-installed with softwares like Page and Keynote. And if you talk about Windows laptop, they can come pre-installed with trial versions of softwares like antivirus or games. Now if we talk about the most demanded productivity tool, Microsoft Office, it comes pre-installed as a full licensed version in many laptops. In such cases, laptop manufacturers are going to highlight it separately. For the Chrome operating systems, users are going to notice few apps already preloaded from the Google Play Store. And for the Linux, users have to install all the apps separately, while for the DOS there are no compatible apps. So in the end, I would like to conclude that all the information provided in this video is applicable both for PC and laptops, with an exception for Apple products. Talking about a personal computer, we can have a pre-built PC or a PC assembled from a scratch. A pre-built PC and laptop both comes with an OS installed on them. While in an assembled PC, you have to manually install an OS to the hardware. And if you choose to go for the Microsoft Windows OS, then you have to pay a good amount of money to get a licensed version. Some advanced users on Windows laptop also install multiple operating systems by installing them on another storage partition or by utilizing the Microsoft virtualization feature. Mac OS always comes pre-built and you cannot install this OS on any other platform. In the end, I hope you like this video and this video helps you in deciding which operating system is best for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you.